Hi everyone! In this video we will find the greatest common factor of two or more expressions. Find the greatest common factor, or the GCF, of 17t to the fourth and 51t to the fourth. The first thing I like to do is do the prime factorization of both of them, and I prefer the tree method. So I'm going to do a factor tree of 17, and it's really short because 17 is prime. So we're just going to circle the 17 and we'll worry about the variables in a minute. Now, 51 is kind of a big, weird number, and it doesn't end in a 0 or a 5 or a even number. So I know it's not going to be divisible by 2, 5, or 10. So I'm going to actually go ahead and try 17 because 17 is the other number, and just cross my fingers that it works. In my calculator, 51 divided by 17 gives me 3. So I have 17 and 3, and since both of those are prime, we're done with our prime factorization. Now we just need to list them out. Our number 17t to the fourth, and we're going to list out all of the all of the factors, which is 17 and t to the fourth. We have t times t. Now we'll list all the factors for 51t to the fourth, and starting with the smallest one is 3, then 17, and again we have t to the fourth, so we have t times t times t times t, and we'll just find all of the ones in common because we want the greatest common factor. 17 is in common, and 4 t's are also in common. So we have 17 times t times t times t times t, which gives us 17t to the fourth is the greatest common factor between these two expressions, and we're all done.